Oh, no, 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 no. Fuck.
What?
My truck is stuck on a frickin'... I gotta jump on it, I think, to get my stuff. No. If you saw this, you'd frickin' laugh.
So take
Ow.
a picture.
Well, I'm recording video, but I can't get my fucking fuel or anything out of it. Fuck, I can't get my parts. Well, I've got too much shit on me to play that game right now. So I'm just gonna run for home. I hit a street sign, and the car got stuck. Oh, it's hitting me. Oh fuck, I'm that close to it? Shit. Anyways, I hit a street sign, and the car is now spinning around and around and around and around and around.